So in this video, we're going to go over this insanely profitable niche, literally $20 billion. And it's something a lot of people are now looking into. And I found a store specifically that is popping off in this sector. I'm talking about like almost 100% growth month over month. So the store is called hikefootwear.com, which is actually a really good name because that's what the niche is all about. It's just hiking. So as you see here, in 2023, the global hiking footwear market was valued at $19.95 billion and is projected to grow to $26 billion. And that's exactly what this company sells, is hiking footwear. Now, they have these hiking shoes that are pretty interesting and kind of expensive. They almost look like, just normal feet. It's kind of weird. I've seen these shoes before. I've never used them before, but I know that they're very popular. And as you see by the traffic data here, they're doing crazy numbers, right? Last month, they did 382,000 monthly visitors. And the month before that, they did 201,000. The month before that, they did 121,000. So every month, they've been almost doubling their traffic. So maybe next month, they'll reach somewhere between 600 and 700,000 monthly visitors, which at this average order value is easily over $1 million a month, which is pretty awesome. Now, as you see, their site is really simple, which I love. I love simple sites because they're fast, and fast means high converting. So super simple. Let's look at the best sellers. The best seller is this one right here. And this is, again, great ideas for products. Now, it is pretty difficult to find a supplier for shoes or dropship shoes, but it's not impossible. In fact, it's actually one of the biggest niches that I've seen pop off quickly. Like I've seen, for example, sandals go from 0 to 500K a month in the span of a month, which is pretty insane to say. But as you see, it looks nice. I mean, this is a very nice landing page. It's simple. It's got these, this is Kaching. This is a really popular app in the dropshipping world, so it's pretty cool that they use it too. And actually, it is possible that these guys are distributing the product from China or through a 3PL in China, which is dropshipping. But yeah, they have a lot of really small conversion optimized things here, like 6 pairs left. They got scarcity. They have a money back guarantee. They have some testimonials here, like Michael P with a little verification mark. And 107,000 others love our shoes. That's really cool. Then they have another thing here. Due to the spring sale, we only have a few left in stock. Pretty crazy, right? Pretty crazy scarcity. Now, this is really well done. Like they explain, this is an us versus them angle right here. Super cool. They do it again. This looks like an ad that they probably run. So this is very well done. And then they use Looks Reviews as the review app. And then right here, they got some really nice checkout badges. I really like these authority badges. They look nice. So free delivery, insured, 100% secure checkout, and, the American flag. And they use these really, well-known icons that actually feel trustworthy. So let me try to find these guys on Facebook. All right, I found them. And to no surprise, they have 390 different ads running right now. That's crazy. So they must be spending multiple 6 figures a month on Meta, which is not surprising. I mean, that's what we do at Ecommerce, right? Like here's a client result from yesterday that we just started not too long ago with, and they were at 0. And we did 5.6K tracked, but the store did 9K. So there's a lot of missed attribution as well. Pretty interesting. As you see, some of their ads are pretty interesting. They're targeted at older people. So that's interesting. It's not just targeted at hikers, I guess. It's also targeted at people that just have foot pain and stuff like that. So, over 60% of the millions of Americans have plantar fasciitis. This is kind of interesting. This is a really well done ad because it's like a UGC ad mixed with like really, I don't even know how to explain this ad type. Like dropshipping ad is the best thing I can think of. But they're just very, geared towards pain points. And it's really well done, actually. This is a very nice ad, so I'm not surprised it does well. But they're testing all kinds of things, right? They're testing static images. They're testing us versus them stuff, different demographics, but mainly targeted at older people. And that's actually probably why they need to have all those conversion optimizations, such as the icons of things that people trust, because older people tend to be a little bit more skeptical. Yeah, they have too many ads for us to go through one by one, but you can look them up yourself on the ad library. It's pretty well done stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this brand. I do want to show you one thing here because this is actually a new thing that I discovered that I really want you guys to know about. So they also have a UK store, and on here they're testing this AI chat bot, and I have something special for you guys. But basically what we can do here is literally say anything. We can say, what is this? And it will give us a response. So, hello, this is Elizabeth from the Hike Footwear team. How can I assist you today? Are you looking for comfortable footwear, or do you have any specific questions? So let me say, my feet hurt when I walk. And let's see what it tells us. I'm sorry to hear about your discomfort. Our barefoot shoes could potentially help with your foot pain. They promote natural foot alignment, strengthen intrinsic muscles, and improve ground feedback. So this is amazing, right? Like, this is a really nice response. And, it sounds empathetic. They're using emojis, and this is stuff that is all programmable. Okay, this isn't a real person. This is an AI chatbot. And how you can use this is through ZipChat. So ZipChat is a really cool app that I was just introduced to recently that allows you to do exactly this. And you can literally train the chatbot. This is easy to use on Shopify. This is a Shopify store, and it not only allows you to have 24/7 support on your store, but it also can be trained to get you sales. So I was shown behind the scenes some of the conversion rates that you can see with this stuff is 13% on the chats, up to 30%. It's really crazy, and it's just the new age of e-commerce. Really, AI is allowing us to really optimize our stores for conversions, which is great, because then you're going to be able to really maximize all the traffic that you're getting and get the most sales possible from it. So I really want you guys to check this out. The link will be in the description, and they actually gave me a special code just for you guys. It's RE15, and I'm sure that you're going to like this. I'm about to start using this for my clients and for our stores, because I just really think it's a no-brainer, right? If you can get somebody talking 24/7 with your customers, someone that's not real, it's an AI chatbot that has infinite patience, then that's pretty amazing. So make sure you check that out. But ultimately, yeah, this store was super impressive to me, not only from their simplicity, but also how well done it is in general. They just explain the product so well. Great images. It's no surprise to me that they're just blowing up like this, especially with how many ads they're testing. So make sure that you write down some of these things that I mentioned, utilize them for your business, or hopefully this inspired you to start your business. I don't know. Either way, that's it.